No falling back, right?
No going back. That's it.
I really hope that they're like, yay, I got this fantastic new landscape.
Melissa, Matt, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes!
So on the count of 3, you're gonna remove your glasses, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Remove your glasses.
Oh my God!
Before, this small front yard was overgrown and had very little curb appeal. 8 hours later, it's been transformed into a beautiful Florida-friendly landscape filled with plants that will both attract pollinators and provide a food source. A new clay pavered pathway creates a seamless transition from driveway to Melissa's front door. A rain barrel and rain chain were installed to save on water and reduce stormwater runoff. A raised vegetable garden built out of whiskey barrels is equipped with a Bluetooth irrigation system. Additional features include a bird bath and a bench with a full nature theater experience. Melissa's dreaded corner has been refreshed with the right plants in the right place. Melissa has a new Florida-friendly landscape to show off to all her neighbors.
It was like an oasis. It was just beautiful. Flowers and the plants and then the bird bath. It's just so serene.
I hope you like it. Well, I'm hoping you'll spend a lot of time out here in your new nature theater.
Nature theater, I love that.
Melissa has always wanted to become a Broward County Master Gardener, volunteer.
Today, we're presenting Melissa with a scholarship to fulfill her dream.
Oh my God, I did not expect so much. Okay, oh yeah.
I don't know how you're gonna deposit this, but we'll figure that out later. So Laura, I want to take this from you. Walk around here and enjoy your new Florida-friendly landscape.
Yes, can I continue crying if I
You
need
can cry
to?
all you want. We got lots of tissue.
I'm gonna sit out here all the time and just wave. Hey, neighbor. I'm gonna be able to speak more to the neighbors. I'm gonna get a lot of questions, and hopefully I have a lot of answers. Look at the dreaded corner. You can see through it there. I love the barrels. I love it. I always wanted a raised vegetable bed. It's so much to enjoy. So I'll probably be crying for a couple of weeks.
I'm very excited for her. All this, she pretty much just deserves.
Thank you for flipping our Florida yard.